Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious and spacious two-story, 8-bedroom, 6-bathroom house equipped with gym, sauna, and a secure 2-car garage on 4.5 acres of land. It is easily accessible, located 5 minutes from Duncan Bay and 15 minutes from Falmouth. Elegant landscape garden with a fish pond and all the fruit trees you can imagine. This property is ideal for Airbnb. All rooms are self-contained with 2 bedrooms, reconfigured for the elderly or disabled. It is well designed with modern finishes such as granite countertops in kitchen, porcelain and ceramic floor tiles, etc. This is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.